is the Walgreens Ad Preview for, I know it's November 15th through possibly the 21st. I can't remember what date. But as you guys see right here on the left side, it says introducing my Walgreens. It says join free. You guys can click it. If you do lose your points, make sure you contact Walgreens because they don't tell you what points are beauty and what points are regular, so you should be able to get your points back. So just want to give you guys a heads up. Here is the gifts of the week. They have Russell Stouffer candy from $4.99 to $12.49. I think we did get some coupons, or we are getting coupons for those depending on what the limit is. You guys want to check that out. Here we have some blankets, Harry Potter or Tim Burton Nightmare Before Christmas, probably the soft blankets for $14.99. That's a pretty decent price, especially if you guys have a specific fan. And then they got my favorite, the Squishable Pillows for $9.99. I have the unicorn one that you guys see right there, and I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable, and it's so perfect for me. I love it. Now we got the gifts of the week. Here is the Tide and Oxy, or Downy for $2.99. with a 50-cent digital coupon, making them $2.49. Now here we got the Degree, the Dove, the Axe body spray or deodorant. Now they do say it's 2 for $10. This Sunday's ad, we are getting $3 off. It looks like coupons for Dove deodorant, and it's $3 off of one. So you guys want to use 2 of those? You would pay $4. You get a $2 register reward. Comes out to be just $2 or $1. Sorry, my daughter is making noises in the background. Here we got Kellogg cereal, $1.99. You get a 50-cent digital coupon, making them $1.49. Then we have the Crest toothpaste for $3.99. You get a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $6.97. You get the $5 register reward, making them $1.97 or just 65 cents a piece. But maybe we can find a better deal. Then we have the Dove body wash. Now we are getting a coupon for buy 1 body wash, you get a men's body wash for free. So basically it's like paying $5.99 for 2 bottles of body wash, making them $2.99 a piece if you guys want to do that. And then we have the Scott's paper towels, toilet paper, and Kleenex for, usually they're always $5, and then there is a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making them $3.75. There may or may not be regular coupons. You definitely want to check that out. And then they have the Pop, not a good deal. This deal is an okay deal for 7-Up and Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, A&W. Those are going to be $2.96 a piece if you guys need to do that. Now here is some food deals. We do have a $1.50 off printable coupon that you guys can use for that. So I was just saying there is a $1.50 off printable coupon for the all. So instead of getting it for $1.99, you guys could use that coupon. The most likely there might be a digital for $1.50, so you guys would get those for $1.49. Now here is a deal right here you guys want to do. So they have the Arm & Hammer liquid, or they have the Arm & Hammer pods. Now, we do have a coupon for $1 off in the 1025 Smart Source. It does say it's a limit of 1. If you guys have digitals, it might work for that. But if you guys have Swag Bucks, which I've told you to join for Swag Bucks like crazy, if you guys have Swag Bucks, they actually have deals that if you buy specific products, you guys will get money back. So every 100 points with Swag Bucks is $1, okay? So in Swag Bucks, they do have a deal where if you buy 2 of the pods, you guys would get the 4-in-1 pods. You would get 900 Swag Bucks, which is equivalent to $9 for buying 2 of the pods. If you guys buy the liquid, if you buy 2 of them, you guys will get $10 back for buying the liquid. So you guys could either pay $6 for the pods, or you can pay $5 if you use that coupon. We did have printables for $5. It could either be a $5 moneymaker or a $4 moneymaker. So we will see, we will see what it could be, but I'm definitely super excited to do that. I'm going to try to buy both of those in the same transaction because those are free money, and why can't you pass up $19? For spending $12, you get $19 back. I think that is a great deal. Otherwise, they got some makeup. Buy one, get one 50% of the Maybelline. A lot of the beauty products, they say they're under $15. And then there's going to be coupon savings up to $8 off. So it looks like it's L'Oreal, Maybelline, Essie, call the Essie Mini Holiday Kits, the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara, which it looks like it's probably that one, which I'm excited to see what the price is for that, because I actually do like, or no, this is a Lash Paradise, so I really like that. And then the Maybelline Glam Mascara Holiday Kit, I don't know, but hopefully there is some good deals with that. If you guys have some stores do this and some don't, but you get a $3 savings reward if you guys buy the Bud Light, Coors Light, or Light. You guys can get Miller Lite, I think is what it is. You guys can get $3 savings reward, which is very similar to register rewards, just you got to use them a little bit differently. Now, I wanted to share with you guys this deal, okay? Walgreens now has a pickup or a drive-through curbside pickup now. So what you guys can actually do is purchase something online. So if you see stuff on sale, cheaper online, and your store will not price match the online price, purchase it online. Then you guys can just do the pickup and they can get the price for that. But right here they have it where if you guys spend $25 or more, you can get an extra 10% off. You just want to use the code pickup10. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. That is a new program that they are starting, which I kind of do like. A lot of sodas, drinks, everything on sale. Nothing really popping out. More candy, all that stuff. Now right here is the Campbell's soup. We have a 50 cents off of 4 coupon that we just got in the 11/8 Smart Store. So you guys would want to buy 4 of them. You would pay $3.50 for 4, or just 87 cents a piece. I don't know if that's a good deal or not. From what I can remember, I cannot remember what the prices are in the grocery stores for Campbell's soup. So yes, and then right here they have the Swanson canned broth, 2 for $1. Now we do have an Ibotta deal for it. It may expire, it might reset. It's hard to say, but if there is that Ibotta deal going on, you guys could get this for free. Okay, here is a freebie that you guys can do. It is the Mentos Pure Fresh. It is 99 cents. You guys will get a 99-cent register reward when you purchase the product. Now, keep in mind, if you do this deal, you can do it as many times as you want. Do not use that register reward that you just got from the previous transaction to purchase the same item. The register reward will not print off. Sometimes they do roll, sometimes they don't. We don't know until somebody chances it, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. Okay, now we're getting into the Christmas candy. They got the Merci, the Sella, Dove, Lindt, chocolate. The Russell Stouffer is 2 for $1. So if you guys are hankering for some candy, we got garbage bags, $5.99. I think that's a good price. We got the complete home bags of the Ziploc baggies. These are buy one, get 2 free. So usually they're $2.79. You would pay $2.79, but then you get the 2 free. So they come out to basically be 93 cents a piece. Persil is $5.99. We are getting a $2 off insert coupon or a $2 off digital coupon, making them $3.99. There is a deal in checkout 51. I don't know if it'll reset after tomorrow, but if you guys do the deal there, you could probably get the Persil to be $1.99. Now here we get into the pet products and the toilet paper. We got some Glade, $4.99. I do know there is a buy one get one free coupon. I don't know when it expires, but if you guys want to use it that way. And then here is some more Christmas stuff. Looks like all of it is buy one get one 50% off. And then we got gift cards if you guys need gift cards. A lot of photo deals coming up. Now here we got some toys for 25% off. So if you guys are eyeing up some of the toys, you can get them for 25% off, which could be an okay deal. Otherwise, some of these, and I have not seen the Blippi toys. That's kind of cool. For buy one, get one 50% off. So if you guys need to go for that. And then we're just going to move along. Here we got some Almay, and looks like just Almay and Revlon. Buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get a $3 register reward when you buy 2. We have the L'Oreal. Buy one, get one 50% off with a 3 off of 2 Walgreens coupon, so that could be a good deal. The Neutrogena is buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get $5 register reward when you spend $20 or more. The next is if you get a $2 cash reward if you guys buy 2 products or more, so yes. And then now we're into the shampoo and conditioner. I don't think this is a good deal. The L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $8. We have $1 off a 2 Walgreens coupon and a 3 off a 2 insert coupon. Makes them $4. Nope. Garnier Fructis, $4. Nope. The whole blends is $1.99. It's not the greatest deal, but you know what? If you guys need it, go for it. And then they have the Nexus. Now my stuff at my store is $14.99. I hate it. It's $14.99. No, yeah, it's $14.99. So I can never get to buy it twice or anything. But here they got, if you spend $20 more, you get $10 worth of cash rewards. Plus there's a $5 off coupon. And we just had some printables too, so you guys might be able to get a decent deal. Toothbrushes, $4.99. I can't remember if we're getting inserts, but let's just say you're getting $1 insert. So you guys would pay $8.98. If we are getting insert coupons, you want to use 2 of the dollar off coupons, then you'd pay $7.98. But then you get a $6 register reward for buying 2 of them. So either it would be $2.98, $1.49 a piece, or $1.98 at just 99 cents a piece. So depends on what deal is going on. Here, these would be $1.98 for this deal. So we will see what we get for our inserts. Soft soap is $4.99, and then you get a $5 cash rewards when you buy 2 of them. There is printable coupons that you guys could print off of coupons.com or off of the soft soap website. And then we have the Pampers. There's a $1.50 off coupon, making them $8.49. Now there was some Ibotta deals, so we might be able to get some deals with Ibotta. And then you get the $4 off of 2 register rewards. So we will see what is a better deal. Here's all the medicines and all that stuff, and that is the ad for Walgreens. So there's some pretty decent deals. Some freebies, I don't think, and some money makers. So just wanted to share with you guys that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next.